Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to program this Bacarra Windows controller. So first we open up the controller and it will display the clock, and that is the time. So we're gonna set the time at the very end of our programming deal so that we can synchronize that to the iPhone. So we're gonna start with programming the start time and end times of this controller. So in order to do that, we're gonna press and hold mode. Okay, until the minutes start blinking, and then but we're gonna skip setting the clock. So we're gonna press and hold mode again so that it'll go to the start time. And the start time, we figured we were gonna start at 10 o'clock every morning and end at 7 o'clock every afternoon. So in order to program this, I will just go through the steps. The minutes is gonna remain on 0, and the hour is already at 10 o'clock. So I'm just gonna raise and bring it back to 10 o'clock and then hit set again in order to go to the end time. The end time is gonna be at 1900 hours, 7 o'clock at night. So this looks right. So in order to move out of the minutes, you hit set again, and 19 is the right number, so that's equal to 7 o'clock at night. So we're gonna hit set again, and now it brings us to the run times of each set. And this particular block has 3 sets, so it'll be 11 minutes on and 19 minutes off. The first one is the second, so we're gonna skip that, so hit set. Then you're gonna go to the minutes, wherein we said 11 minutes on. The first one will be the on, and we're gonna set that at 11, hit set again, and it's asking for the hours. We leave that at 0, and now we're gonna program the off time, which is gonna be 19 minutes off. And we're gonna move that hour number back to 0. So okay, we got the run times in. Now days of the week, and we need to make sure that every single day from 1 to 7 has a square in it. And in order to put the square, you hit the plus. So 1 is flashing right now, hit the plus, and there's the square. Now you hit set again to go to the next day, hit the plus again to get the square, set again, plus again to get the square, set again, plus again to get the square, set again, plus again to get the square, set, plus again, set, plus. Now all 7 days are squared, so that means it is gonna run on all 7 days. Now hit the set button, and now we got everything complete. Now we have to synchronize the clock with the iPhone, and the best way to do that is if you have an Apple Watch, which has the second face, or you'll have to download the clock face app, which will show you the seconds. So it just happened that I already downloaded my clock face in my phone. So now we're gonna calibrate the time, and I'm gonna press and hold mode until the minutes blink. And what is our time, Justin?
Right now?
9:43.
Okay, here we go. It's 9:43. So I'm gonna set the minutes to 44 because we are gonna make sure that it is synced to the last second with the iPhone. So every single controller will have the same time. So now it's at 44, and the hour is gonna be set to 9. And because this blinking thing will, you have to make sure that it doesn't stop blinking by the time your second hand gets to 12 on the iPhone. So you will have to hit this up and down until about 10 seconds to go.
You have 5 seconds.
Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hit the set button twice. And hopefully it got it exactly synced with the iPhone. So before you leave, wait and see what the clock is doing and match it with your iPhone and see if they are synced together simultaneous. And once they are, you're done and you're ready to go.